What do you think it is?
I think it's something.
You think it's something?
Oh!
What's that?
You sure?
A shirt? Let's see it.
White one.
You don't know what it is yet though, do you?
No.
What do you think those stickers are for?
Stickers!
You know what that is? What's on that sticker?
Fly diving!
What do you think's in here? Should we open this box and see? Okay, opens from this side.
my own fly tying box!
Yeah! What's that? Is that your own tying vise? Isn't that pretty awesome?
Waiting for that.
Holy man. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Tim at Norvise sent all this stuff to you.
It's purple.
It's purple. Isn't that crazy?